Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see all the airdrops on Cosmos ecosystem. So there will be 4 airdrops in total, and I will be showing you a step-by-step process. So even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry about it. I will be showing it to you all how you can do it completely, and we will be requiring Kepler wallet for it. In case if you want to know how to set up Kepler wallet, then you can check out the video on our channel itself. I have already created a video dedicated on Kepler. You can also see other videos related to Kepler on our Kepler playlist. So let's get started with the airdrops today. Here on Cosmos ecosystem, there are around 81 zones, and when you check out them, you will be able to see that there are some protocols or some projects which are yet to give out their tokens or coins. And today we will talk about the Cosmos Hub, Celestia, and also Osmosis and Injective. So how you can participate in these airdrops for them, and it is quite easy. Just Kepler wallet will be required. So let's start the process for this. So in order to stake atoms, all you need to do is just open up Kepler wallet, and on Kepler you will be able to find the option of this staked at the very top right beside your name of wallet, and you will be able to find the option of stake with Kepler dashboard. Just simply click on it. After that, over here, in case if you have the funds on your Kepler wallet, then you would be shown the your wallet amount, and since we have atoms, 3.15 atoms, so we can just simply select that particular crypto or token that we have. So we want to stake Cosmos over here, so we will select Cosmos. Now over here we get different validators. Now we can choose different validators, but make sure that you select them properly, because some validators has high commissions, like this one. This has around 20% commission for the Coinbase custody, and you can also go down further. As you go down further, you will be able to see that the voting percentage is decreasing for any particular validator, and it's completely fine because we are getting around 13.99% APR on our atom in addition to the airdrop eligibility. So that's completely fine even if we go down with someone who has low voting power. So the more value some validator accumulates, it increases their power of voting. So it's better that we don't let this power accumulate in one hand, but make sure to choose someone with low commissions, because some even has 100% commission rate. Let's go with the Stake Lab for now. They charge just 1% of the commission. So for that, just select it. After that, it will ask you to stake, and for that, just simply click on this option of stake. Now scroll down and select the amount that you want to stake. Make sure that you don't select whole of your atoms. Keep some in order to pay the fees, because sometimes we just click on this option of max and stake them. So it's better that we keep some atom for us to pay the fee. Then just simply click on this option of stake, and just simply click on this option of approve. Now wait for this transaction to complete, and it won't take much time, and we just staked our atom over here. And all the rewards that you will be earning from these stakings, you can just simply click on this option of claim in order to claim it all. And I have already staked some Injective and atom. Now I will be staking some more in future. So just simply click on this option of staking in order to check your staked positions. Now you can see that I have also staked Injective over here, and the APR is around 15.85%. And for that, you don't have to do much. Just simply follow the procedure that I just told you in the beginning. Just click on this option of stake, and any token or coin that you have in your Kepler wallet will be shown over here. Just simply select that particular chain or coin over here. Suppose I had Injective, I would have just selected Injective over here. Now it will ask me to select any particular validator. Now we can just scroll down and select different validators in order to get eligible for the upcoming airdrops on Cosmos. And since Injective is a really good project on Cosmos, so we get different airdrops. Also, there are some individual validators who also declared their own airdrops, and they would also be giving more airdrops in the future, so you can just go with them. Like the Black Panther is there, and they will be giving out airdrops in future. And also there are some more validators who are giving out airdrops, so there's high stake also. You can just stake with them and your injective basically, and you would be getting some additional airdrops. So the process is quite similar. Just simply select any particular validator and click on this option of a stake, and you would be able to stake it. As simple as that. Now let's get back. So we have talked about Cosmos, we have talked about Injective. You can also stake Injective using the Injective's official website. Make sure that you are opening up the official websites, as it is quite important. Otherwise, there are so many scams out there, and you won't even know that your wallet is drained and someone just took your funds, your hard-earned money. So make sure that you open up the original websites. So in order to stake using the original website, you just have to open up Injective. It is injective.com, and you can go with the individual, and after that open up Injective Hub. This way you would be able to open up this particular website and just connect your Kepler wallet for it. Then click on this option of staking, and over here you will be able to delegate your funds to different validators. So this is how you do it. And even if you stake using Kepler wallet, your positions will be shown over here. So this way your on-chain activity on Cosmos will be tracked all over the blockchain. So they know that some particular person has staked this particular amount, and they are also eligible for airdrop. And this is all possible because of the technology of blockchain. That's why this is all growing so fast. Now let's talk about TIA, how you can stake TIA. For that, just simply purchase TIA. You can get it on Binance or any of the
A few moments later,
centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. And there are some people who actually don't even know the basics of cryptos, like where to buy cryptos. The first and the easiest way to do it by just opening up CoinGecko and searching for any particular crypto that you want to purchase. Just scroll down on CoinGecko, and to the very end you would be able to find the option of Celestia markets over here. Now you will be able to see different platforms where you can purchase Celestia. So you can see that it is listed on OrangeX, Binance, xt.com. You can also see their price on that particular exchange. So this makes it quite easy for you to understand where to purchase some particular coin or token. So just simply get TIA in your Kepler wallet, and let me show you how you can actually transfer your TIA from wallet. For that, just simply open up your Binance wallet and click on this option of withdraw. After that, select TIA over here. Now you would be requiring address. For that, just simply open up your Kepler wallet, and over here click on this option of deposit. Now select TIA, or you can just simply click on this option of copy. So this will actually copy your Celestia address. Now all you have to do is just paste this particular address over here. Click on confirm. You won't be requiring any memo for Kepler, so just leave this particular option blank. After that, select the amount that you want to transfer and click on withdraw. This way you would be able to transfer Celestia, or for that matter any other crypto, and just make sure that you choose the right address and the coin. Suppose you wanted to withdraw osmosis. For that, just simply click on this option of osmosis. Now in Kepler wallet you would this time require to select osmosis. So we will select osmosis, not send. I clicked on send by mistake. So make sure that you click on this option of deposit. Over here select osmosis or copy the address. After that, just simply paste this particular address over here. You won't require any memo. I'm saying it again, don't panic, and just simply click on max or the amount that you want to transfer, and just simply click on this option of withdraw. This way you would be able to withdraw any crypto from your Binance or any other exchange to your Kepler wallet. As simple as that. Now let's see how we can use our TIA in order to stake on various platforms, or just simply stake on Kepler wallet also. For that, just click on this option of staked, then click on a stake with Kepler dashboard, and it will open up in this way. Now instead of injective, if you have TIA in your Kepler wallet, it will be shown over here. All you have to do is just select Celestia, and it will open up and ask you to select validators. Now after that, just select validator, and you would be able to stake your TIA this way. Now in case if you want to stake your TIA on Milky Way, because there are chances that you might get additional airdrops by staking on Milky Way, and this is just like the Soul token, because some people got as much as $15,000 by just staking one Soul. So chances are there that you can get the same amount in Milky Way also. So all you have to do is just connect your Kepler wallet with Milky Way and stake your TIA over here. It is as simple as just typing the amount, and after that just click on this option of stake, and you would be able to do that. So this is one more way, and this is actually liquid staking. So what liquid staking is that when you stake some of your crypto, you get additional or some other crypto in place of that. Like on this platform, when you stake your TIA, you get milk TIA. You can trade that particular TIA or use that particular milk TIA on other platforms as well. Like you can use milk TIA on Osmosis, and on Osmosis we will also talk about the Osmosis airdrop. So you can go on Osmosis and do the liquidity staking, but make sure that you know about impermanent loss, because this is quite real. You might end up losing your funds if you don't know how to provide liquidity. So better to learn about it before doing it. So that's how you stake TIA on Milky Way. Now let's check Osmosis. So on Osmosis, all you have to do is just click on this option of launch app, and it will ask you whether you want to connect your Kepler wallet or what. Just connect your Kepler wallet over here. It is connected, and you can click on this option of staking, and it will redirect you to the Osmosis chain on Kepler. You can also open up this using your Kepler wallet. Now you will be able to find the option of staking by just going to the particular validator and selecting that validator, and it is all the same process as I have told you about other coins and tokens. So there's nothing new. All you have to do is just stake using your Osmosis chain. So it's about staking using different chains and nothing much than that. So these were the 4 projects on Cosmos, and you can probably get high airdrops on these platforms. And these were Cosmos, Injective, TIA, and Osmosis. And I hope you get lucky with the airdrops. And also, if you are interested in similar content, then you can just simply subscribe to our channel and also check the playlist. I have added different playlists, and you can understand crypto, not just the airdrops. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos.